What's up, everybody? Jackknife here. So coming to you with a new product or new toy that I just bought for the car. So just bought a brand new hood from Group A Motoring, and since I got a new hood, I decided I wanted to get some hood pins. So right here I have a set of push lock hood pins that I was able to pick up online for pretty cheap. Got them for probably, I don't know, let's say $15 off eBay, something cheap, and figured I'd give them a shot. So how these work is you have the piece that you mount to the chassis right here. So you just use the nuts and the washers, drill a hole anywhere in your chassis, and mount that sucker just like that. And then you mount this end right here to the hood of the car. So you can see you got a nice old, large nut right here that attaches to the actual hood locking pin mechanism itself. So the idea is when you close your hood, both these are latched together just like that. And whenever you want to open your hood, you press the little button here in a second, or here in the center. And what's pretty neat is when you press it, it ejects, so it'll pop your hood. Something I was worried about when I was first looking at this was whether or not when I pressed the button, if I was actually going to be able to open the hood of my car. You know, with the hood being so flush like a lot of other hoods are in cars, maybe I wouldn't be able to, pick at it to pick it up. But since these eject pretty well, it seems that when you press it, it's going to jump up just enough so you'll be able to pick the car up, or pick the hood up off the chassis. So pretty neat, pretty cool. I'll come at you later with install video, so you'll see me cutting into my car, cutting into the hood once again. So we'll see how it goes, but pretty excited, pretty neat little product, pretty inexpensive, which is always pretty cool. So we'll see how it goes.